So a lot of questions are being asked right now regarding Florian Wirtz, regarding his performances, regarding the price tag that Liverpool paid for him, and whether he fits into Arne Slot's tactics or not. Because last time Liverpool had a number 10 was when we had Felipe Coutinho, and he was also another player who could also start from the left wing position. And Mira reaction to all those comments, harsh comments if I can say so, those questioning people, is this: ki bhi, how can we be so impatient, selectively ignore the context of this transfer, the fact that he's just 22 years old, the fact that he's moved from Bundesliga to the Premier League, which is the most difficult league in the world, which is the most physical league in the world, एंड उसी के साथ साथ नोइंग लिवरपूल्स सक्सेस इन द ट्रांसफर मार्केट, हम लोग किसी के भी ऊपर ऐसे 100 मिलियन पाउंड्स नहीं खर्चते. सो वी डेफिनेटली सीन अ लॉट ऑफ पोटेंशियल इन हिम, जो कि डेफिनेटली ऑन द पिच भी दिखेगा डाउन द लाइन. एंड आई एम वॉट नॉट इवन 100%, like 200% कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट इट. आई हैव नॉट इवन एन आयोटा ऑफ डाउट इन दिस. मैं बस ये चाह रहा हूँ कि एटलीस्ट हम थोड़ा सा ये कॉन्टेक्स्ट समझ के उसको अडेप्ट करने का टाइम दें. बिकॉज माइंड यू, ठीक है, you can tell me that he looks really off his game, he like has not scored for us, he's not assisted for us. If you minus the assist that he scored for Ekitike against Crystal Palace in the FA Community Shield, तो everything like every criteria पे उसका मार्कर पे ज़ीरो ही दिख रहा है. बट आई एम लाइक दैट इज़ वन वे टू लुक एट इट. बट जहाँ पे मेरे को पॉजिटिव्स दिख रहे हैं, he was looking really well against Galatasaray. He almost had his first goal against Crystal Palace. ठीक है, yes, he should have converted. He did not. He had this glaring opportunity. But as the games are progressing by, he is getting more and more involved. उसी के साथ साथ his ability to control those tight spaces, his ability to move the ball quickly, his ability to see a pass. There are a lot of other intangible elements to his game also, which is helping Liverpool. So how can we be so immature and not look at the whole picture? Like, I understand for content, for making it look viral, ऐसे सारे comments spicy होते हैं, it gets more eyeballs. But उसी के साथ साथ I want to defend my man here and come out in the open that Florian Wirtz, जिसको आजकल बहुत सारे लोग flop signing कह रहे हैं, आप लोग ने जो बोलना बोलो, मेरे लिए he is the one to watch out for Liverpool this season. Let me know how you think regarding Florian Wirtz, whether you're a Liverpool fan or even a neutral fan. How do you think that Florian Wirtz is going to play an important role, whether he's going to play or not, in the comment section? And yeah, time to debate it in the comment section then.